friends, this is Katerina from the Evolution of Stitches. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful pattern. The pattern creates these 3D stitches and it's ideal for baby blankets or wraps or whatever you can think of. It's very easy, although it looks complicated. So please let me show you how to crochet it. The first thing that I will do is to crochet a number of chains which will be a multiple of 2, but out of those chains I will use 3 in order to create my first double crochet stitch. So I'm going to crochet 16 chains. Probably you know how to crochet chains by now. So please let me crochet my chains and I will meet you then. I have crocheted 16 chains. Now I'm ready to start working my first row. For my first row, the first thing that I'm going to do is to count 3 chains and then I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook into the 4th chain, yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops and yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. In this way I have created my first double crochet stitch. Now I'm going to crochet my second double crochet stitch, so like this, and I am going to continue crocheting double crochet stitches until I get to the end of the row. So please crochet your double crochet stitches and meet me at the end of the row. I have finished my first row of double crochet stitches. Now there are 13 double crochet stitches on this first row, plus these 3 chains which count as another double crochet stitch. Now I'm ready to start working my second row. I'm going to crochet 3 chains and now I'm going to turn and I'm going to work the pattern. My pattern is like this. First I'm going to yarn over and into this double crochet stitch I am going to insert my hook as if I was working a front post double crochet stitch, meaning that I will insert my hook into the right side of the post of the double crochet stitch and take it out on the other side, on the left side, and then yarn over, pull up and pull up a loop. So now there are 3 loops on my hook. Now again I'm going to yarn over and do the same. I'm going to insert my hook into the right side and take it out from the left side and pull up one more loop. So now there are 4 loops plus the chain on my hook. What I'm going to do is yarn over, pull through the 4 loops and then yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. In this way I created this stitch here. Now I'm going to work on the next double crochet stitch. What I will do is yarn over again, but now I'm going to insert my hook on the right side to the front and then take it out at the back of the double crochet stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 first loops and yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. So I finished this one too. So in this way it's like crocheting a back post double crochet stitch. Again I'm going to repeat these two stitches. So again I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to insert my hook into the right side at the back, so, and pull it out on the left side. Yarn over, pull up a loop, again yarn over, insert my hook in the same way, yarn over and pull up a loop. So now there are 5 loops in total on my hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 4 loops, and now yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So in this way, again I am going to work the second stitch of the pattern, yarn over, insert my hook like this, pointing towards me, and pull it out at the back, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops and yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. So this is the pattern. Please let me do it one more time. Yarn over, insert my hook into the right side and take it out on the left side, pull up a loop, yarn over again, insert my hook into the same double crochet stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through these 4 loops and yarn over and pull through the last 2. And the next stitch is yarn over, insert my hook pointing towards me and pull it out at the back, yarn over and pull up a loop. And yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the other 2. So this is the way we work our pattern. I'm going to finish and I will meet you 2 stitches before the end. Please crochet the pattern and meet me then. If you would like, you can lower the speed of the video and crochet along with me. So I'm here at the end of the row. Here there is 1 double stitch and the 3 chains. What I'll do here is I'm going to create 1 back post double crochet stitch again, and I am going to yarn over, insert my hook into this space between the last double crochet stitch and the 3 chains here, and create a double crochet stitch. In this way I have finished my second row. As you can see, by crocheting the second row in this way I created these 6 3D stitches. Now I'm ready to start working on the third row. Of course, this is the right side of the pattern and the third row is going to be on the wrong side of the pattern. The third row is quite simple. What I'll do is crochet 3 chains, turn, and now I'm just going to crochet double crochet stitches. So I am going to crochet my double crochet stitches. So please crochet your double crochet stitches of the third row and I will meet you then. So here I'm at the end of the third row. I'm going to insert my hook on top of the 3 chains and create my last double crochet stitch. Now I'm ready to work my fourth row, which is the same as the second row. 3 chains, I'm going to turn. So this is how the pattern looks at the moment. Now I'm going to repeat my second row. I will insert my hook into this double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and again yarn over and pull up a loop, crochet like this. Now again the second way, so here like this, and 1, 2 times, and like this. It's a very simple pattern, but very impressive. You can use it for baby blankets. So again, like this. Please let me finish this row and I will get back to you. I have finished knitting these 3D stitches. The wrong side of the fourth row. Here again I will create a double crochet stitch, and this is how we crochet this pattern. This is a 2 row and 2 stitch pattern. So now I'm going to crochet 3 chains, turn and work with the wrong side of the pattern by crocheting double crochet stitches. So please do it and I will meet you then. So this is how the pattern looks like after this row of double crochet stitches. Now let me show you one more time how to work the right side of the pattern. So here again, as we said, we are going to create kind of front post double crochet stitches, only instead of one time we are going to do it, we are going to insert our hook twice. So like this, and then the back post double crochet like this, again a front post, but let's say it's a double front post because we insert our hook twice, and the back post. It's a very easy pattern, so like this, and like this. So this is the pattern. Please let me crochet a few more rows and I will get back to you. So this is how the pattern looks like after a few more rows. This is the right side of the pattern and this is the wrong side. I think it's a beautiful pattern. If you liked my tutorial, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to read your comments. Bye for now. Thanks for watching and see you soon in one of my next tutorials. Bye!